When earthy flavored green peas stuffed in dough and fried as puris and served with some refreshing chutney makes a perfect breakfast snack. So let's quickly see the recipe for Matar Puri with green chutney. I'm going to start with making the stuffing for the puris, for which I've taken 1.5 cups of green peas, and now I'm going to grind it with a few ingredients. I have here 2 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies and 1 small piece of ginger. Add this in as well. And let's grind all these ingredients into a paste. Just make sure that it's not a very fine paste. Heat a tablespoon of oil. This is the consistency of the paste that I need. Saute this paste for 3 to 4 minutes till it dries out. Into this, next I'm going to add in half a teaspoon each cumin seed powder, garam masala powder, black salt and red chili powder. Half a teaspoon sugar. Mix all these ingredients together. Juice of half a lemon. 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Dry this mixture out properly. Spread it on the pan. Turn off the heat and let this cool down completely. While this is cooling down, let's quickly make the dough, for which I have 1.5 cups of wheat flour. Into this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of rava or semolina, salt to taste, a tablespoon of oil. Mix all these ingredients together and let's prepare a soft dough. The dough is ready. Keep it to rest for 15 minutes. This peas mixture has cooled down. Let's make 1-inch size ball of it. The stuffing balls are ready and the dough is still resting. So while that's happening, let's quickly make the chutney for it. For which I have here 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Next I have here 1 small piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, half teaspoon each cumin seed powder, black salt and chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of sugar, easy on the salt. I have 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves here. Squeeze juice of 1 lemon. Grind all these ingredients into a smooth paste, and if you feel the need, you can add in a couple of tablespoons of water. Let's remove it in a bowl. The chutney is ready. Let's quickly stuff the puris and deep fry them. Take a 1-inch dough ball. Spread it to make a katori or a bowl shape. Place the stuffing ball. Seal it nicely. Press it and keep it aside. In this way, let's just stuff a few more dough balls with the stuffing. Apply a little bit of oil on the dough ball as well as some on the rolling pin. With very light pressure, roll out the puris. I have a pan of hot oil here. Add them one by one. Let them fry till they are golden brown. Flip it over. This one is done. Let's get it out. In this way, let's deep fry all the remaining puris. Matar puris and the chutney is ready. You can serve this with any chutneys of your choice or best paired with aloo sabzi. Do try this recipe at home because it makes a very good tiffin snack as well. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Wishing you all a very happy Holi. Comment below and subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.